can get back to business, Mr. Ventura. The Wachati are a peaceful tribe. Since their sacred animal has vanished, they believe that there is a curse fallen on their village. It all started some time ago. So, the daughter of the Wachati chief is set to wed the first son of the Wachutu tribe. And the sacred animal was offered as dowry for the marriage, but if it is not recovered, the result will be the merciless slaughter of the Wachatis. Mr. Ventura. Mr. Ventura.
There's someone on the way. Something. I'm sorry, what were you saying?
The daughter of the Wachati chief is set to wed the first son of the Wachutu tribe.
Spectacular! This land holds great beauty. How far to the crime scene?
Well, I've been instructed to bring you first to the consulate, which should be beyond those trees, on the other side of the jungle, so we'll have to circle around!
Steering's a little loose! Ah! Alignment's off, too!
Mr. Ventura!
Oh, you, pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, we love you. And our pretty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang loves us too. Hi, everywhere we go, oh, chitty chitty weedy pants. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our plans are hand. Bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, our fine for standard. Chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty bang bang, yeah! Chitty! The consulate!
Oh, thank God!
If I can just find a parking spot.
Perhaps we should slow down just a teensy-weensy bit?
Nonsense, poopy pants!
We're going a bit far! Really? Look out!
You might want to think about getting this baby detailed.
Oh, no. The Consul General's car.